Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi 13 Lite. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Inside find app called Firefox. Then install it. When it's ready, open a browser. Right here we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization with other browsers. Here you can pick a different theme, your toolbar placement, switch between privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice and start browsing. Let's open any website, and right here, as you can see, browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.